Hi everybody, it's Mindy and I have some goodies to show you here from DPClubs. I hope you enjoy them. Stick around and see what I have. Let's get into it. So let me tell you, this first one on top, I didn't pick out. No, I didn't. So let's look at that one first. So I went and I found things that I liked, and I placed my order. And she came back and she said that one of the items wasn't in stock, wasn't going to be in stock for a while. I could replace it. And I said, that's fine. I said, I don't really need it unless you want to throw something in. So she threw another one in. There we go. This is what she threw in. It's a cute little snowman. I've seen this image a lot. It's a pretty common image. This is interesting though, because this one is square drills, and I don't tend to pick those out when I go to the budget-friendly companies. It has 24 colors with a legend on both sides. Let's look at the drill field. Is it nice and clear? Well, it is if my camera focuses for you, I'd say. Well, that didn't get any better, now did it? What is it doing? Come on. No, come on. There we go. So there's the drill field. It is clear. And it is square drills. So we'll look at those. This is a cute little snowman. He looks like he's all embarrassed or something. So here's our drills. They came pre-bagged. There they are. They look pretty nice, right? Yeah. I really haven't had too much trouble with any drills in quite a while. It just doesn't matter where I'm getting them from. They all seem pretty nice. I don't know, maybe I'm lucking out. But that's our drills. They're square. They look good. Anyhow, there it is. What you think? Kind of cute, huh? Kind of cute. All right. I picked out this one. I picked out the rest of them. So, isn't she cute? Isn't she adorable? It's special drills. Look, we even have a few little dots down here and just a bunch of flowers. She's got flowers in her hair. All these dots around the background get something. There are 14 different stones, shapes, sizes. Even the swirlies up here get drills. I like it. Her hair is several colors. She's cute. She's a little elf. Look, she's got a pointy ear. She's an elf. I call her an elf. What do you call her? I don't know. Let's look at the drills. All right, let's see what we got. So let me take this opportunity to welcome anybody who's new to my channel while I struggle with the bag trying to get it open. Seriously? Where's the sticky part? I can't. Oh. Okay, we're not going to look at the drills. Never mind, I changed my mind. Oh, it's one of these where they got just this little tab over the edge. These are hard to open. They're hard to find that little edge. Anyhow, as I was saying, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I don't always struggle like this, really, but I always do have fun things to show. So I hope you'll come back. Oh, like I said, it's not always like that. All right, let's look at the drills. All right, we've got clear rhinestones, green, a light purple, a light blue, a nice pretty green, a little darker blue, another darker blue. Is that black? I think those are black. Are they crystal? They look crystal. I don't know. It's always hard to tell sometimes. They do look like they're like a rhinestone. Sometimes they're just so shiny. I don't know. Gray. Another gray. Then we have some pearly teardrops. Oh, we have some slivers for your slivering delight. Magenta, clear, and then we have some purple. I wonder if those go here. Are they 14? They are. Ooh, that'll be fun. Those are all those larger dots. Those will be nice. I like it. Okay. Beautiful. She's cute. I like her. All right. I know I've already had this one before. I know I have. I think I actually may have given it away. I did. I know I did. I gave it away to somebody because I knew I was getting another one. I knew I had messed up and I was getting another one. So I gave this one away already to someone. But look at it. Isn't it pretty? You just have this swirly blue background and all of these sunflowers and daisies, and it's gorgeous. It has 23 colors. Again, legends on both sides, and it comes pre-bagged. This feels so light, this little bag of drills. So we have white, yellow, orange, yellow, blues, greens, a bunch of blues, of course, for that background. That looks brown, green, brown, rust, golden color. There's a green, like an olive green tucked in there, and a couple other greens. Love it. Those are so pretty. Yeah, so I like that one. Do you like it? I do. Look at those. Look at those. Love it. Look at all the colors in one sunflower. Quite a few colors in one sunflower. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so now I have it back. I knew that was happening, so I went ahead. I gave one away because I knew I had this one coming. Yep, that's what happened. All right. You notice how a lot of them are coming with pre-bagged drills these days? I'm not complaining at all. Ooh, what is this though? Not pre-bagged drills. Oh, wait till you see these. So this is just a small one. It's a little 30 by 30. Just a floral background with a butterfly in the center. There were a couple different ones with like different colors. This is one that I picked. It has 22 colors. 22. And it looks like it's kind of in like a frame. You know what I mean? Like you can see a line around it. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Wouldn't be hard to do. It's a small one. It would be fun. Here's the part I'm not crazy about. Look what we have for drill packaging. Yeah. Not my favorite. Now, I'm not complaining about the drills. The drills can be nice, but all these individual bags you have to open up when you kit up. I'm not a fan of those. And I've been getting a few of these. This is back in the day. And I don't know why we're going back to back in the day, but I'm not a fan of those. But here's our purples and pinks, some yellows, a bunch of greens, yellow, and then we got this off-white ivory color for our background. I'm not going to open those up. You know. If you are new to diamond painting, I'll open them up and I'll show you one color. All right. Again, with the packages. Seriously. Okay, here we go. Yeah, some of you, if you're new, may not even really be familiar with these because these are, from a while back. So they come like this. This is your 3865, and there's like multiple bags of those, right? So there's like 200 in each of these. You have to cut them all open and all that fun jazz. So, I mean, it's not a deal breaker. It's just, I prefer my drills either pre-bagged or just in the individual, strips, a little section for each one. But that's what that is. Anyhow, next. Okay, this one's super cute. There was a whole bunch of Care Bears. Care Bears was a thing, like back in the 80s. My daughter's entire room when she was a baby and a toddler, we just kept the Care Bear theme. So it's cute. There was a bunch of different ones. Another little 30 by 30. All of this background, this will go super fast. This is multi-placing city. Multi-placing heaven. Yeah, 19 colors. And we got pre-bagged drills. Now these have no DMC codes on the bags. They just have the number. Like that's 18. That's going to be the A probably. There's your background color right there. We got some pinks, dark pink, yellows, purples. I mean, it is what it is, right? And then again, with the number of the kit written on the bag. Sticker time, put a sticker on it so you know who it belongs to in case this comes off. I mean, let's see. I think it would, well, it's on there pretty good. I mean, it's on there pretty good. I'd still put a sticker on it. That's just me. But there's our drills. Very pretty. Just a cute little Care Bears. I like it. All right, I got one more to show you, and I like this one. All right, this is what we got. There was a couple different ones. I think they were different colors. A Parasol. I think there was maybe a purple one. I don't know. Why didn't I get purple? I don't know. I could be completely wrong. Anyhow, it's pretty. I like that it does not have a white background. It's kind of like a sky with clouds in the background. I like that. There's only 8 different shapes for this one. So not a lot of different colors and stuff. But we are going to have some larger stones. A lot of rhinestones. But we got some bigger ones. So let's see what we have. All right, let's look at them. So we have clear, pink, green, a darker pink, some yellow, and here are our special ones. So we have some larger yellow, faceted. Oh, we have slivers. Where do we have slivers at? Little green ones. It's a pretty green, but I don't know where they're at. And then we have these teardrops. Let's see. Where do we have slivers? Let's look up here. Let's get up in this. Oh, well, there are not very many of them. They're around the leaves. Can you see that? The 7s, there's just a few. And there's a couple in here. They're just using them like fillers here. There's a few right here. Okay, that's not bad. A few in here, a few in here. That's not bad at all. That's manageable. And then the larger yellow go here, and then the teardrops. So that's pretty. I thought it was just a pretty little thing. Might be fun to do for smashing the specials. All right. Okay, that's all I got, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you found something here you liked. Let me know. All right. Hope to see you soon. Hope you come back. I'll be here. I hope you are. All right. See you later. Bye.